Welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain permutation and combination. For permutation, the way of arranging the things in an order. Arrangements in an order. Arrangement of things means observations or items. Example, consider three letters A, B and C, three letters. Take two at a time, two letters at a time. Then what are the different arrangements? AB, AC, BA, BC, CA, CB. There are different possible arrangements from three letters by taking two at a time. Let's say another example. A, B, C, three letters, all at a time. All at a time. So what are the different arrangements? ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CB. There are different possible arrangement from the three letters when taking all letters at a time. So here also 6 arrangements from 3 letters and considering 2 at a time. 3 letters all at a time, here also 6 arrangements. Here I am taking only 3 letters. If 10 letters are there, then writing this type of method is a lengthy procedure. So we need formula. The formula is the number of permutations of n objects or n items taken or at a time. So n observations taken at a time or at a time. Here from 3, here n is 3 and r is 2. R at a time is denoted by NPR, is given by NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So here numerator is n factorial, denominator is n minus r factorial. N factorial means n factor is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to, so we have to decrease 1 unit from the n. At last we get 1. And also one more property here, 0 factorial nothing but 1. We should remember this one. 0 factorial is equal to 1. Just instead of writing these steps, I can use formula directly to have number of arrangements. For this, so NPR substitute in the formula. So here for this first example, n is 3 and p r is 2. 3p2 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So this is 3 minus 2, n minus r factorial. 3 minus 2 factorial is equal to 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 all divided by 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial. Nothing but 1. So final 6. So 6. For this also I can find out. So total arrangement is 6. This one. So substitute n is 3 letters and how many r at a time is? R is all at a time. So 3p3 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 3 factorial is equal to 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 minus 3 is 0 factorial. 0 factorial means 1. So 3 into 2 is 6. Directly from the formula we can find out the different arrangements from the given things or given observations. Here, one more property, npn is equal to n factorial and np0 is equal to 1. So no need to remember these things. Just substitute these values in the formula, you will get the answer. npn, so here npr instead of npn I have taken here n factorial divided by n minus instead of r n. So n factorial divided by 0 factorial is nothing but n factorial. 0 factorial nothing but 1. So n factorial. npn is equal to n factorial. So just substitute n instead of r, you will get the property. And also np0, 0, n minus 0 is n factorial is equal to 1. np0 is also 1. Just substitute in the formula. So permutation means the ways of arranging the objects in the array. Come to problems. Find out 4p2, 4p4 and 10p4. So this is a formula. Just substitute 4p2 is equal to 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Here 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then this is 2 into 1. Instead of here, this is 1, 2 cancels, then 2, 12. 4 into 3 is 12. So 4p2 is equal to 12. Then 4p4, 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 0 factorial. 4. So here 24. So 4p4 is equal to 24. Then 10p4, 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. So here this is 10 minus 4 is just 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial. We can write 10 minus 4 is 6 factorial. Instead of writing full things, I can stop here. 6 factorial, 6 factorial. So anyhow we can cancel directly 6 factorial. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 is equal to 5040. So 10p4 is 5040. These things can be calculated directly using scientific calculator. So in the scientific calculator, just first for 4p2 type 4, then in the keyboard option, in the next to the button, you can observe NPR, NCR, NPR, NCR. So here NPR, take NPR. So here first select type 4, then shift button, then wherever NPR button shows, just press that one. You will get P, then 4p2 is equal to 12. First type 4, shift, NPR button, then 4, 24. Directly you can do 10, shift button, then NPR button, then 4, 504. Directly we can do it. But you should know calculation without using of scientific calculator. Come to another problems. Find the number of permutations of the letter A, B, C and D taken two at a time. So this is the formula. So for this, N is 4, R is 2 at a time, 2 letters at a time. So 2. So 4P2. So substitute 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial. So in the previous problems we got this value as 12. 4P2 is 12. Then another problem, find the number of permutations of the letter A, B, C and D taken all at a time, all the letters at a time. So in that case, N is 4, R is 4. In that case, 4P4. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 4 factorial. In calculator you can get it 4P4, that's 24. Hence, permutation, the way means the way of arranging the objects in order. So these are the permutations. 4P2 is 12, 4P4 is 24. This is 24, the permutation. In 24 ways, we can arrange the letters A, B, C and D. In 12 ways, we can arrange the letter, 2 letters in 12 ways. Now come to combination. Combination means the way of selecting the objects without considering the order. So in the permutation, that should be in the order. But here, selecting the objects without considering the order. So we should not consider the order here. Example. Same example. 3 letters A, B, C, 3 letters. So take 2 letters at a time. Take 2 letters at a time. 2 letters. Whatever. So first AB. So next AC. Then BC. So here we cannot write BA, CA and CB. These things won't come. So AB, so already we selected, but we should not consider BA. So order we should not consider. So already we got 2 letters. So BA won't come. Then AC, we should not consider CA. Then BC, CB we should not consider. So that's why without considering the order. So these are the combination. So here only 3. 3 is the combination. Then another example. 3 letters are there. Select all the letters at a time. All the letters A, B, C. Then remaining thing ACB I cannot write. So already we got 3 letters. So the different whatever we got, another remaining things, so same repetition. So here we should ignore the orders. So already we got ABC. Here, so only one combination you get from 3 letters. So the same thing, if letters are more or things, items are more, selecting the combination, selecting the objects is difficult. To get the answers, we have to use formula. The formula is the number of combinations of n objects. So n objects, here 3, here also 3. Objects taken R at a time. Here taken R means here 2. Here n is 3, R is 2. At a time is given here, n is 3, R is 3. So all the letters we have taken. Is denoted by NCR is given by NCR is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial n minus R factorial. Only this R factorial is extra compared to permutation formula. So here n factorial means the same, n into n minus 1, n minus 2. Of course, if this is 10 factorial means 10. So that is 10 minus 1, 10 minus 2 in this way. So 10, 9, 10 minus 8, 8, like that. You get that is n factorial. Okay, substitute, we can have this right by writing arrangements. I can use formula. NCR here for this, n is 3, R is 2. So 3C2 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 minus 2 factorial. So 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial, is 1. 1 factorial is also 1. 0 factorial is also 1. That's a property. Then 2 cancels. The answer is 3. Directly by using formula we can get it. And here for this, n is 3, R is 3. 3C3 is equal to 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 3 minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 0 factorial. So 3 factorial will get cancelled, 0 factorial is 1. So 3C3 is 1. So here NCN is equal to 1, that's a property. NC0 is equal to 1. Of course, NCN will get a property from here. 3C3 nothing but NCN, so we got 1. We will get 1. Of course, for this formula also, from the formula we can get a property. Substitute in the formula NCR, NCN, n factorial divided by n factorial, n minus n factorial. So n get n factorial, in fact get cancels, n minus n is 0 factorial, finally 1. NC0. NC0, n factorial, 0 factorial, n minus 0 factorial. N factorial, 0 factorial is 1, n minus 0 is n factorial, cancels 1. The properties. Take problems. Find out 4C2, 4C4, 10C4. From the formula, NCR is equal to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Here 4C2 is equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial to 4 minus 2 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial, 2 into 1. 2 cancels, 4. 3 2s are 6. 4C2 is equal to 6. Then 4C4. 4C4 is equal to 4 factorial. Of course, this is nothing but NCN. We will get 1. 4 factorial, 4 minus 4 factorial. 4 factorial by 4 factorial. This is for 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, so 1. So problem. 10C4, 10 factorial, 4 factorial, 10 minus 4 factorial. Here 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 6 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 6 factorial. 4. Okay. So 10 into 3 into 7. So 210. So here we can use the scientific calculator also directly. The same method. 4C2. There first enter 4, then shift, then NCR button, then 2, 6. In the same way, so directly I will come to 10C4, 10, shift button and NCR button, then 4, 210. In this way, so in some scientific calculators, you may not get this type of option. Just you have to rectify whether it is there or not. Into problems, another different types. Find the number of combinations of the letter A, B, C and D taken 2 at a time. So here N is 4, R is 2. So this is a formula. So here 4C2. 4C2. So in the previous problem, I can find the answer. 4C2 is 6. Find the number of combination of the letter A, B, C and D taken all at a time. So this is 4 letters, 4 all at a time. So 4C4, so 1. The scientific calculator can get it easily. And it's somewhat different type of problem. In how many ways can a cricket team 11 be chosen out of batch of 15 players? There are 15 players. I have to select 11 players to have a cricket team. In how many ways I can select the players? So in this case, players, 15 players. Then in that, I have to select 11 players. This is with respect to combination problem. So here N is 15 players, R is 11 players. 15, C 11. 15, C 11. You can use scientific calculator. 15 shift NCR button, then 11, 1365. In 1365 times, I can select the 11 players team in different combinations from the 15 players. In 1365 ways, I can have the teams of 11 players. Hence, here combination is the way of selecting the objects without considering the order. In simple, permutation is the nothing but arrangements in the order. That is important. Permutation means arrangements in order. Arrangement of objects. So formula is NPR is equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. Combination means selections without order. just combination, different combination without considering the order. Formula is NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. So just you can observe here only r factorial is extra compared to permutation formula. Okay, thank you.